All right, so we got a new window sill. It's some kind of marble product that they put in. And it's got a little overhang, not so great, but it'll work just fine. And that stops that moisture. I think it'll help with the moisture problem. They're not 100% done with it yet. And it gives plenty of room to where you can still open the window, but it kind of sits there behind that chair. And again, we now put off another problem for another couple years till we get to it. But that window was leaking in the past. I talked to Brad about it, and he said that there was a hole back behind this window. When they were painting the outside of the window, he found a hole where there was water intrusion getting in. And he said that they caulked it all in back in here, and they caulked that hole in. And that's probably where the moisture was coming in over the years and causing that wood rot.